Hi everyone, good morning class, and I am Jirel Jan Badua, and just call me Jay lang. And I am excited to be your teacher this year. I have deep passion for education and commitment to helping each of you. And both academically and personally, with several years experience of teaching at electrical installation maintenance since 2020, from high school to senior high school. I believe in creating an engaging and supportive classroom environment where everyone feels motivated to participate and learn. My goal is not only to teach the material but also to inspire curiosity, critical thinking, and love for learning. I'm looking forward to getting to know each of you and working together to make this a successful, enriching year. Thank you.